I'm headed to thrift stores looking for stuff that I can sell on eBay. Unfortunately, I'm running really behind, so I gotta pick up the pace.
Take a trip down on Easy Street. That's where all of the losers meet. Alright.
This is pretty cool. Peter Millar quarter zip pullover. Gonna be $4.75 or either $5.75 depending on how they charge me. This could go on eBay, but honestly I'll probably put it on one of my golf whatnots. Really good condition too, and a 2XL. Alright, if you're a golf nerd, this is sick. Vintage President's Cup. Double XL polo. That's awesome. Here's a Four Fathers. Never seen that brand before. By Dads, for Dads. That's kind of awesome. I'll look that up too. It's a Subaru hat. Brand new with tags. Hats here only $1. Could be worth picking up. I'll run out here and grab a cart. I know when I do, I won't find anything else. That's usually how it works. That's why I don't ever get one when I walk in the door. Because if I get one, I'll be prepared. I don't find anything. One of the biggest mistakes that I make when I'm buying clothes is to not look over them close enough. So I'm going to spend a few minutes and just look over everything, make sure there's no stains. That's the Peter Millar polo. It looks good. Also, I looked up this Forefathers polo. It's a pretty good brand. There's 18 listed and 29 have sold. Looks like they sell for $25, $30. So that's probably a buy too. I don't see any stains. It's a 3XL also. I didn't find any stains on any of that stuff, surprisingly. So let's check out the hard goods. Hoping for like Scotty Cameron putter. Just found this pressure cooker. It's in really good condition. Pressure cookers can sell really well on eBay. Unfortunately, they want $20 for this one, and it's missing the little doodad that goes in the top. And that is the official name, by the way, doodad. Make sure you write that down. Well, that kind of happened just like I said it would. As soon as I get a cart, don't find anything else. But what did I get? Got the Subaru hat. It was actually on sale, half price, so 50 cents for that. The Forefathers shirt, never heard of that brand before, but like I said, the sell-through rate looks really good. And then the vintage President's Cup shirt, probably not a comp for that, but that's way too cool to pass up. And then the Peter Millar quarter zip pullover. She charged me $4.75 for it, so not too bad at all. Off to the next spot. So this next spot is actually an independently owned thrift store, and I really like it. They have some really cool stuff, but their pricing can be all over the place. Like their clothing is usually pretty cheap, like $3 or $4, but their hard goods can be crazy expensive. Like I was there the other day and they had one of those new wave induction cooktops. They wanted $60 for it, which is kind of a little much. But hopefully they've got some good stuff in there today. We'll see what we can find. Walking in and they've got a lot of cool hats. I mean, that's pretty sweet. And most of them look brand new. Unfortunately, I'm not really finding any that are worth what they're asking. If they want $5 for that. This is a Texas Rangers, like St. Patrick's Day hat. $5 for it. Yeah, it's all comp for like 13. I am probably going to get this though, Ken Griffey Swingman. It's not the Nike version, but I did see one sold similar for like $30. So we'll grab that. Really good condition. And I'll keep looking. Oh, there's another Subaru hat. Oh, it's branded. Same exact thing. Same brand and everything. Let's see here. Oh, they want $5 for it here. I just paid $1 for it at Goodwill. So I'll keep looking and see what else I can find. Just to kind of give you an idea of clothing pricing, let me find something halfway decent. Here's a Chaps button-up shirt. $3.99, not horrible. Polo shirt, Azad polo shirt, $3.99. So their clothing isn't bad at all. Bobby Jones, pretty cool. Fortunately, I'm not finding anything worth reselling yet. Keep going. So that cooktop was right over here the other day, and now it's not. Maybe they sold it. I mean, if you can get $60 for it, why not ask for it? Can't blame them. One thing I have noticed about this thrift store that I haven't seen anywhere else is they have like tier pricing. Like this started off at $39.99, and as the days go by, it gets a little bit cheaper. So if I come back May 3rd, I can get this for $10. Pretty interesting. All right, so nothing too mind-blowing. Got the Ken Griffey Jr. Swingman hat. Unfortunately, it's on the Richardson tag. If it was on the Nike, it'd be a lot better. But like I said, I did see a sold comp of like 30, so I think it's worth $5. All right, next stop is actually a Goodwill. You can see the sign over there, but this might be the emptiest that I've ever seen this parking lot. Usually I have to park like over there in the corner somewhere. Hopefully that means there's still some deals to be had. Looking through the hats, just spotted this guy. Looks vintage. Swingster, made in the USA. Yeah. People go crazy over vintage computer stuff. That's really cool. I can get 20, 30 bucks for it. And then there's this Miami Dolphins hat, visor, whatever you want to call it. And it's signed. Is it worth $1 to grab that and look those up, see if there's any autographs worth anything? I think it is. That'd be fun to research anyway. Got number 38, number 19, and number 54. If you guys have any ideas, leave me a comment, please. All right, this could quite possibly be the find of the day. This is a vintage Roebucks, like Sears and Roebucks jacket. I'm guessing from the 70s with the Norton motorcycle patch on the front, BSA motorcycle patch on the front. That's pretty awesome. It's in excellent condition too. I think it's going to be $5.75. That is amazing. Absolutely awesome. No idea the value. That's awesome though. I guess today's also going to be Cool Hat Day. I think this is kids, but it says one size fits most. Columbia Inferno minor league hockey team from 2004. Alex Burrows celebrating a hat trick. I don't know. Might not be worth anything, but it's definitely worth trying for $1. Still digging through clothes and haven't found a whole lot since I found that vintage motorcycle jacket. I did find this vintage jacket though, kind of nerding out over some old golf stuff. This is a Antigua jacket from the 2002 PGA Championship in Hazeltine. So that thing's 22 years old, really good condition. And then this made in the USA Roche vest from the Tour Championship. Like I said, just nerding out over some old golf stuff. Really cool. All right, you guys saw everything that I got, but I need your help with these two things. First up, this Sears Roebuck jacket it may be nothing, honestly, but these are definitely some old patches, old motorcycle patches on the denim jacket. Roebucks, you see it there. I think it's amazing. I really do. I may be getting excited over nothing, but I think it's awesome. And then the Miami Dolphins hat. You guys recognize any of those autographs? I'm not a football guy, or at least not a pro football guy. So like I said, number 38, number 19, number 54. Let me know if you recognize any of those. So real quick, I'm in the process of editing this video, and I remembered that at this same store a couple of weeks ago, I found something that I didn't even know existed, and I wanted to share it with you. I don't really want to be buying shoes, but I found these, thought they looked pretty unique. Got the Vibram soles, good condition. And I turned them around, they're Danner. I didn't even know Danner made shoes like this. I just thought they just made boots. But these are going to be $6.50. Sell-through rates are really good, and they go for like $40 and up. So that's a pretty good buy. So yeah, Danner makes shoes. Who knew? I mean, you guys probably knew, but I didn't know. I know they make boots, and that's definitely something to be on the lookout for. They sell really well on eBay, and apparently some of their shoes do too, because this pair sold in like 2 days for $60. Definitely a good buy for $6.50. I also did a little bit of research on that denim jacket that I found, and obviously I'm not going to find an exact comp because I think it was a homemade deal. Somebody sewed those patches on. But BSA went defunct in 1972. That Sears and Roebuck tag matches some other ones that I found on eBay from the 70s. So I definitely think it's from the 70s. As far as price goes, I have no idea. I honestly think it's something that the American Pickers guy would wear. He wears similar stuff all the time. Maybe I should reach out to him. But I do have it listed on eBay right now for $279. Just kind of taking a shot in the dark. We'll see what happens. I'm definitely open to offers. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.